Warning, you have entered the realm of Neptune. Stay alert, a danger lies ahead. That dark vortex is wider than Earth itself, and it is turning toward you. It has no eyes, yet it is watching you. Since the day it was discovered, this planet has never played by the rules. Scientists cannot calculate its ways, and no probe can survive its depths. The only one that ever flew past never returned home. That black vortex is the great dark spot. You are standing at its edge. Winds slam into you at 2,400 kilometers per hour. You cannot stand. Your legs are utterly useless here. Earth's most powerful typhoons are mere whispers compared to this. You are swept away like a grain of sand inside a raging cosmic dryer. You try to dive deeper into the atmosphere and instantly regret it. The gas grows thicker, heavier, a crushing pressure that drives into the marrow of your bones. Your chest tightens, your ears ring, the atmosphere squeezes you from every side. Yet the deeper you descend, the hotter it becomes. Wait, Neptune is so far from the Sun. Why is it getting hotter? Because Neptune generates its own heat, releasing nearly 3 times more energy than it receives from the Sun. No one knows where this excess heat comes from. This planet has been burning for billions of years, for reasons still unknown. As you continue sinking, a sharp crackling echoes above. You look up, it is raining, not water, but diamonds. Methane breaks down under crushing pressure and heat, forcing carbon atoms together. Slowly, they crystallize and fall through the darkness. Real diamonds, plunging into a super-pressurized ocean of ice, never to rise again. You reach for one, but the pressure drags you deeper into the abyss. What humans treasure as rarest is nothing more than common rain here. You fight upward with everything you have, and finally break through the atmosphere. From the void of space, the planet hangs serene in blue-green silence, as though nothing had ever happened. Then you notice a nearby moon called Triton, and it is behaving very strangely. It orbits in the opposite direction of Neptune's rotation, the only moon in the entire solar system to do so. Scientists believe it was not born here, but captured by Neptune's gravity billions of years ago. Trapped by gravity, it cannot escape. Even worse, it is slowly drifting closer. In a few 100 million years, it will be torn apart into a ring of debris. The moon drifts on, unaware of its coming doom. You want to send a message home, I'm safe. But any signal would take over for hours just to reach Earth. A simple reply would take another for hours, half a day lost in a single heartbeat. Voyager took 12 years to arrive, yet its flyby lasted only a few brief hours. In those few hours, it captured everything, then vanished into the deep cosmos, never to return. It photographed the great dark spot, Triton, and the faint rings, leaving behind a mountain of data. Scientists have studied that data for over 30 years, and they are still not finished. Strangely, just a few years after Voyager departed, the great dark spot vanished, silently, without warning, as if it had never existed. Later, a new spot appeared, in a different place, with a different shape. No one can say for certain which storm you were fleeing from. Neptune takes 165 years to orbit the Sun, 1 year longer than all of recorded human history. In truth, we have barely scratched the surface of what this planet truly is. But you know what? There is nothing wrong with a little mystery. The universe still holds so many unanswered questions, and that means there are still answers worth waiting for. Perhaps in your lifetime, a new probe will fly past, bringing back images far clearer than Voyager ever could. Until that day comes, you will still be here, waiting for the truth.